algebra systems, what is a solution? Imagine trying to find the exact point where two roads cross or where two lines meet. That point is what we call a solution in algebra. When we work with systems of equations, we are looking for the values that make all the equations true at the same time. Think of it like solving a puzzle where every piece has to fit perfectly. A system of equations is a group of two or more equations that share the same variables. If these equations are linear, each variable is only to the first power, and the graph of each equation is a straight line. The solution to the system is the point or points where these lines intersect. For example, if you have two lines crossing at one point, that point's coordinates are the solution. There are three main types of solutions for these systems. The first is a unique solution, which means the lines cross at exactly one point. This point makes both equations true. The second is no solution, which happens when the lines are parallel and never meet. This means there is no set of values that satisfy both equations at once. The third type is infinitely many solutions, which occurs when the two equations are actually the same line. Every point on that line satisfies both equations, so the solution set includes all points on the line. To check if a set of values is a solution, you substitute those values into each equation. If they make every equation true, then you have found a solution. For example, if you have the equations x plus y equals 3 and y minus x equals 5, and you try equals -1 and y equals 4, plugging those in will show if they satisfy both equations. If they do, then -1 and 4 are the solution. Understanding what a solution is helps us solve real-world problems too. When you need to find where two conditions meet or when multiple factors need to be true at once, solving systems of equations is the way to go. Whether it's planning a budget, designing a project, or figuring out a schedule, solutions tell us the exact values that work for all parts of the problem. In summary, a solution to a system of algebraic equations is a set of values for the variables that makes every equation true at the same time. It can be one point, no points, or many points depending on how the equations relate to each other. This concept helps us understand how different conditions or constraints interact and is a key part of solving many practical problems.